On ill effect of drug abuse. The Ribhoi police today organized the bike rally which commenced from Nongpoh and culminated at Lat Umsao, Umyam. This bike rally was flagged off by the Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner Arpit Padia from Nongpoh with participation of bikers to create mass awareness of drug abuse. Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner Arpit Padia lauded the police department for organizing this event, saying drug abuse is a serious issue that needs to be addressed to protect young generation.
Very serious and sensitive issue, and I think the office of SP Ribhoi has taken a very good step in organizing this event to create the awareness on how to prevent this kind of this menace and how to improve the situation with regard to the use of drugs and psychotropic substances, and also that it's a very this problem requires a solution from all the sides, from all the stakeholders of the society, and in this way our bike rally, this event will go a long way in public outreach and in creating awareness regarding this